Double click on parameter set. So you can see here we have parameterized like age sizing 10, 20, 35, 20, 15 and 60. So also we can create some mass factor kind of thing. So here we can put like mass factor. So here we are taking 1. Okay. So we have taken 1 here. So like if we click on P1 here, expression what we can change 10 multiply by P7. Okay. Then same we are going to do for all. Okay, now we have changed to all. So if we change this mass factor by 2, then you can see all the will be doubled. So we are closing this one, update project. So it has been updated. Double click on mass. So here you can see mass and age sizing. So all the age sizing we have parameterized by using one mass factor, that is P7, so that we can change by multiplying the factor like 1 or 2. So accordingly we can do this all age sizing parameterize. Okay, thank you for watching.